There are 7 levels of AI users. Level 1 is saving a few minutes on drafting email. Level 7 is running an entire business system while you sleep. When I heard this, I genuinely had to pause because these 3 questions hit me all at once. Which level am I? Definitely not level 7. Am I behind? I think so. And how do I actually level up? That was the moment when I decided I need to do something, start my AI learning journey, and create this series. Quick intro if you're new to my channel. I'm Isabella Sisilawati. I'm a CFO. My world is numbers, Power BI dashboard, Excel financial models, and board pack PowerPoint presentation. I'm not an IT developer. I use AI occasionally to ask questions and get quick answers using ChatGPT and Copilot. Sound familiar? So let me walk you through the 7 level of AI adoption framework, because once you hear it, you cannot unsee it. Level 1 is the question asker. This is most people. You open ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, you type a question, you get an answer, you move on. It's useful, but you're basically using a Ferrari to do a school run. It is a waste. A Ferrari can go so much faster than 40 km an hour, which is the school zone speed limit in Australia. Level 2 is the prompt crafter. They know that how you talk to AI matters. They use proper prompting techniques. They give context, specify format, think through what they actually want, and they get dramatically better results from the exact same tools. The outputs are significantly transformed from a generic result to a genuinely useful one. Level 3 is the power user. They've gone beyond single conversation. They have set up project, custom instruction, and long-term workspaces that remember their context. AI start to feel like a team member rather than just a tool. Now, level 1 to 3, you are still consuming AI output. You ask, it answers. You are the reader, AI is the writer. Now, level 4 is where everything changes. This is the workflow weaver, and this is the shift from consuming AI output to co-creating with AI. You stop asking AI to explain things and start building things together. Using tools like Claude artifacts, you are creating real interactive tools and mini apps together with AI inside the conversation without a developer, without writing a line of code. And some people call this vibe coding. Yes. And that shift from consuming to co-creating is the most important unlock in this whole framework. Once you feel it, you can't go back. Level 5 is the builder. You are now creating real apps and automation for specific problems. You're using tools like Lovable, Make, Zapier. You build something once and it works for you indefinitely. For example, a business owner at level 5 has an AI-powered client intake process that qualifies leads, collects information, and sends a brief without anyone touching it. Level 6 is the architect. You are connecting systems together via Cloud Code, N8N, APIs. You're not building one app, you're building pipelines. Multi-step automated workflows that can run without you. This is where the magic truly begins. Level 7 is the unicorn. One person running a whole business supported by multiple AI agents handling everything behind the scene. Content, lead qualification, client delivery, reporting, all automated. Everything can run behind the scene whilst you're sleeping, so that you can then focus your efforts on building relationships and building strategy. How cool is that? After learning about the 7 levels of AI users from the futuristic channel, I couldn't stop thinking that I was behind. I was behind because I didn't know that there were 7 levels. I was happily living in level 1 and I didn't know what level 4 even looked like, let alone how to get to level 7. I was behind because nobody had shown me the map of what was possible and how to level up. That's what made me want to make this series. I want to document my learning journey. I want to show you the map and how to level up as I figure things out, because I genuinely believe that if I can do it, you can do it too. So here's exactly what I'm doing. I will be creating videos to document my learning journey, mastering each level, starting from level 1 to 3 all the way to level 7. I will show you the tools that I'm learning, the challenges that I encounter along the way, and how to apply the learning and put it into practice to create something useful that we can use in our day-to-day life. If you want to level up your AI literacy or just witness my AI transformation journey, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on my future videos. And do let me know in the comments which level do you think you are currently at. I'm giving myself 7 weeks to level up from level 1 to level 7. Let's find out if it's possible. See you in the next video.